Hey guys, it's Kendra. So welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my summer curly hair routine 2023, so just keep on watching. So first I'm going to give my hair a good rinse with some warm water for about 60 seconds just to go ahead and loosen up some of the product buildup before I go in with my shampoo. And for shampoo, I'm going to be going in with my Adwoa Beauty Biomatte Moisturizing Shampoo. This is a really great shampoo if most shampoos dry out your hair and you're looking for a really good moisturizing shampoo that also does a really good job at cleansing your scalp. Also, if you like the minty feel, you're going to love this because I really enjoy that for my scalp. Obviously, you guys know I love the Blue Tansy Clarifying Shampoo. That's my favorite. But this for sure is my second favorite shampoo. Love this one, and I always shampoo my hair twice, and I realized I did not do that last year, and I find that my hair feels so much better when I wash it twice. I do wash my hair twice when I wear it straight, but for some reason I haven't always shampooed it twice when I'm wearing it curly, and now I'm a shampoo twice girly when it comes to my curls as well. So love that. And to condition my hair, I'm going to be going in with the Nexxus Humitress Moisturizing Conditioner. Y'all, this conditioner is top notch, one of the best conditioners I have probably ever used. I'm not exaggerating. Y'all know I don't really hype anything up too much if it doesn't work that great. But this one is so buttery, makes my hair feel so silky, and as you can see, I'm going in to detangle my hair. It does an impeccable job at detangling my hair, so I always like to section my hair in two sections and then go in on each side, you know, in more detail to make sure I get every strand and all the knots and tangles out. And this conditioner does an amazing job at doing that. Y'all, this conditioner, you need it. Like, I'm just telling you, you need it. If you ever see it in any store, Ulta, wherever you can find this, Amazon is where I got mine. Obviously, all the products will be linked down below so you guys can get it from there if you want. But I'm not exaggerating. This conditioner is life-changing because it makes your detangling process so much easier. If you struggle with detangling your curly hair, I'm telling you right now, go get this conditioner. It's amazing. So after I let that sit for about 2 minutes, I'm going to take my little twist out that I put in and just finger rake the rest of the conditioner through to make sure it's all worked through before I rinse it out. And it feels so good as I'm rinsing this out. When you guys try this, you're going to see what I'm talking about, but it makes, you know, your hair routine go so much smoother right before I apply a hair mask, because I always like to do a conditioner before a deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner that I'm going to be using is the Real Geo Superfoods Moisture Mask, the Mega Moisture Hair Mask. And this one was my first time trying it. Well, not my first time trying it this time, but this is my first jar of this product, and I absolutely love this hair mask. I'm for sure going to be repurchasing. This is exactly what the name says. Super moisturizing. And the only difference with the hair mask that I didn't do with the regular conditioner, I'm going to go in with my Tangle Teaser and brush that through just to make sure I give every curl some attention. And this Tangle Teaser is also a game changer for my shower wash day routine. If you guys don't have this brush, I highly recommend. And this is also a really good, you know, addition to your detangling process if you need extra help. So again, I'm just going to twist that up and do the exact same thing on the other side. And I like to add a plastic cap to let the hair mask penetrate a little bit deeper. And then of course I rinse it out and make sure all the knots are out. This is going to make the styling process so much easier. I'm telling you, if your wash routine is top notch, then everything else is going to be a breeze. So I'm just going to rinse that out and move on to my styling routine. Okay, so after the shower, I like to take off my microfiber towel. At this point, my hair has been sitting for like 15 minutes, so it's a little bit damp. I don't mind my hair being damp for my wash and goes because I typically don't do them on soaking wet hair, but I definitely like to section my hair every single time I do my hair because it just makes life so much easier. I do have a nearby spray bottle to re-wet certain drier sections, so I'm gonna do that, but I like to divide my hair into two sections and just start from the bottom and work my way up, of course. And I'm just gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner that I've been loving is the Mayo Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Leave-in Conditioner. It's really good if you're looking for a leave-in conditioner to get your curls back healthy, if you're going back from having straight hair from having heat in your hair. This is a really good leave-in conditioner to use to get your curls back. And I'm gonna go in with a different tangle teaser, a styling tangle teaser. I have a purple one for my shower and a pink one for out of the shower. So I like to use this brush also when I'm styling my hair, because I want to make sure that leave-in conditioner gets in there really good, because I am gonna style my hair with a gel, but I like to make sure I use a good leave-in to just add some nourishment to my hair first, and then go in with a gel, because the gel I'm using is a stronghold gel, so I don't really like to use those by itself. And I love this Mayo Organics leave-in conditioner because it's not like greasy or heavy, but it still feels really moisturizing, because I know some leave-in conditioners can tend to be kind of greasy feeling because it has a lot of oils, but this one doesn't feel like sticky or oily or anything, so I love that. So while I work on the other side, I'm just gonna twist that side up, and of course, like I said, do the same thing on the other side. And I really like this method, like when I twist one side up and work on the other, because it gives the other side some time to let the product like penetrate even more. And I can really feel like the difference in my hair when I do like the little twist. And as you can see, as far as gel, I'm going in with the Intersense I Create Hold Styling Gel. This is one of my newest favorite gels that I've discovered. Works really well with my hair type, and I'm just going to do the shingling method. I like to do this sometimes, not all the time, just when I want a little bit extra definition and my hair to be a little bit more uniform. Sometimes I do like to finger rake my hair. It just depends on what I'm feeling that day, but I do like the shingling method sometimes, so I'm going to be doing that today. And this gel is phenomenal if you're looking for what the name says, which is hold. It does an amazing job at holding your hair, and it does leave a crunch, not gonna lie, like your hair will be on the crunchier side, which is fine because my hair lasts a lot longer when it dries, like with a crunchy cast. And if that's something that you're looking for, then this is the gel for you. This is not a soft hold drying gel, so that's not this, but this is a really good gel for the summertime specifically, because my hair tends to get frizzy really easily if I don't style it correctly. And this gel is for sure a go-to summer gel of mine. I for sure will be getting a backup. Highly recommend if you need something for strong hold and shine. This gel does a really good job at like creating shine, because I know some strong hold gels don't give you like that shiny look, but this one is really good at giving your hair some added shine as well. And after I'm done styling my hair, I am an air dry girl, so I am going to air dry my hair. And although I do not like my hair on day 1 typically, I always love my hair with this routine on day 2 and 3 and 4. So I highly recommend this routine if you're looking for a long lasting wash and go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.